Creating accurate directional light just got easier in Vectorworks 2012. With the new Heliodon tool, you can create directional light based on region and city as opposed to coordinates. Before, if you wanted to place directional light based on an exact area, you had to use the Set Sun Position command, which required longitude and latitude points for your desired location. Now you can simply activate the Heliodon tool and place it in the drawing. From here, you can choose your region and city along with the time display settings. If you know the specific coordinate points for your location, you still have the option to do so by checking Edit. Here, you can either update an existing city or add a new city. If necessary, you can also add a new region. In 2D, the Heliodon displays arrows representing the direction of the sun rays. So even in 2D, it serves as a quick visual reference. To see how the sun rays would change direction from sunrise to sunset, simply double-click the Heliodon to access the solar animation options. Then you can use the sliders for the month, day, and time. You can easily see how the arrows change based on the settings. In 3D, even in OpenGL without shadows, you can see a noticeable change in the lighting applied to the surfaces as the time of day progresses. In 2011, there was no way to achieve this without a QuickTime movie of a solar animation. Now let's turn on the OpenGL shadows and use the Heliodon to create an on-screen animation from sunrise to sunset. Aside from the current view, the Heliodon also gives you the option to view your model from the sun to either the center of the layer plane or the Heliodon center. Using the sun to layer plane is useful if your model is relatively close to the center of the layer. From this view, you can gather that any surface you see will be receiving directional light at the set time. Sun to Heliodon center is helpful if you need to focus on a specific area of your model. You would want to move the Heliodon as close as possible to this point, and then, as you create your animation, the view rotates around your new area of focus. The Heliodon can also be used to calculate shadow angle for your walls. All you need to do is name the wall and then input this wall name in the Object Info palette, and the calculation is automatically done. Note, this wall says no sun on wall because at this time of the day the wall receives no sunlight. Creating a QuickTime movie can also be achieved from the new Heliodon objects. Just access the Solar Animation dialog box and choose Export Movie. The solar animation will be created based on your current view. Here are some examples of resulting movies. In Vectorworks 2012, the Heliodon helps you create an accurate directional light to analyze your models, but requires less calculation and generates better results.